On the weekend I went on holiday to Anglesey, but on the way there we stopped at a market and I got this Lego set. I got this Lego set at a market. It is the 60-year anniversary one. It comes with one minifigure and a couple of builds. When I was at the market, I asked the person there, "Oh, excuse me, please can you tell me how much this set is?" He picked it up and on the side it says £8.75 and he sold it to me for £6.75. And I'm going to put in the description how much you pay for this, because £6.75, that's £1.75 more than Tiny Box. So yeah, it comes with 186 pieces and one minifigure and a couple of accessories. I have two of the builds here. I have the go-kart, and I have a parrot, which also comes with a microphone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go find out how much this set usually is and put it down in the link below. Goodbye.